friends, Running Kimono here. We're going to talk about the Dollar General clearance event that's taking place next week and a big Arm & Hammer detergent that you can get for $1 right now, along with the coupons that you should load for the event that's starting next Friday, which is July the 31st, going right to the following Thursday, which is August the 6th. So the first little piece of business we're going to talk about is the Arm & Hammer Powerfully Clean, the 67 loader, which is the best value for this deal. There are smaller ones that are also $5, like I think they're 32 loads, but this is the one that's probably the best. So it's exactly $5. Now, earlier in the week, we had a $2 store coupon, and yes, I went and loaded all of those on my cards right away. And then early this morning, we got a manufacturer. So when you have a Dollar General store coupon and the manufacturer, if you look right below, those two in fact stack. So a $5 product after these two is $1. So if you're not about a $12 basket today with the 10 off 40 or the 5 off 25, I would definitely go and grab one of these for $1. I mean, that's a crazy price point. You have until the 31st. And these two are stacking, so I would definitely throw that on the list today. Back to the clearance event, it's from the 31st to the 6th, that exact window. The prices won't change in the app until then. If you could possibly go and scout your store now to see, is this worth your time? Should I take that Friday off of work? I would do that. I'm not doing a 5 off 25 today because I want to keep all of my coupons on my store cards because I think I could do so much more during a clearance event when a lot of these items are 50% off with digital coupons. I'm looking for free and cheap. So that's why Kenny Rogers, no one to hold him, no one to fold him. I'm holding my cards. Now, for the rest of this video, I'm going to show you coupons that I loaded this morning because when it's Sunday, some of these might actually disappear. Or some of them might still be around. You never really know. 2 for Oxy, the 5 off of 2 for the Hello Colgate, the 5 off 2 for the Colgate as well. And see how it says expiry August the 1st. So I have a smaller window to use it, but I still have it. And then the $1 or the 50 cent off of the Lysol with back to school. A lot of those will be popping up. All of the air care coupons, because often as couponers over at the Dollar General, during these clearance events, this is when we get a lot of air care for free. So definitely load all of these little friends, no matter what they are, just load them. And then a lot of skincare by Neutrogena as well. Sometimes that stuff does pop up. And I'm going to have a video with the matchups earlier next week. So to get you guys organized. And yes, I know this is like every month they have one of these. I think it's really a sign of the times. They just need the business, I'm assuming, because it's never usually like month after month after month like this. Another $1 for the Lysol, $1.50 for Suavitel, 75 cents, like you can see. And I know that Scrubbing Bubbles is in the clearance section. We also have some bar soap, a Febreze, that little kit thing, and the $3 off the double pack of the Febreze. We just have to land some of these in the clearance section, and we're definitely going to have some deals rocking and rolling. But sometimes with coupons, you can load them, and then when Sunday rolls around, they're no longer available to load. And then when you're watching my matchup video, you're like, oh, I wish I had that. I wish I had that. I can't do the deal. I didn't load the coupons. And even if you're a really big pharmacy shopper, I would definitely try to do some of these deals at the Dollar General. They're worth your time. It's a great store. Even that $1 Powerfully Clean, that's found on a regular shelf. Go and get that today for $1. I mean, fantastic deal, A++. More coupons that are meat and potatoes, these cleaners that we all want to run away, marry, and fall in love with. Just load them all. I mean, they're all fantastic. Fabuloso, I've seen many of those in the clearance section the last many events. All great coupons, lots of cleaners, lots of stuff to get ready for back to school. Load them all. And I'm sorry, some of them are doubling. It's just the way I took the screenshots. But go and load your coupons, and we are going to get organized next week for the clearance event because it's going to be a great one. And lots of stores that are super busy, they don't really have time to pull all this stuff. So what happens is it's on the regular shelves, and when it's on your regular shelves and you know what you're looking for, it's easier to do this clearance event. And some stores, they just put everything at a table at the front if they don't have a lot going on and they want to organize for the clearance event. But yeah, it is really interesting that they're doing this month after month after month, like a clearance event every month. Typically in the golden era, it used to only be 4 per year, and now it's like every month something's happening. They want our business, that's for sure, but more cleaners, and now we have these pet foods. I would definitely load them if you can. That's it for this video, guys. Load your coupons and scout your store. Get organized, and I will get organized on this end so we have a lot of success next week. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.